What is up, everybody? Welcome to IML Academy Trading View tutorial. Now, the reason why I want to break this down is because through IML TV, I pretty much mark up all the charts on here and break everything down through this platform. Now, pretty much think of this as like a canvas. You're able to see the charts and you're able to draw everything up, customize in whichever way that you want. So it pretty much allows you to really have your own market sentiment, which means the way that you feel about the markets. TradingView.com is a free site. You can actually pay for a pro if you want, but I still use free because it pretty much has all the benefits still there. But you can see right here, just from the home page, you're able to see different authors, different people writing up their forex analysis, market summary, news, everything to help as well. But what I want to show you guys is the nitty gritty on how to really mark everything up and how to utilize TradingView. Okay, as you guys can see here, there were different currency pairs, but before this wasn't there. So if you're looking for a certain currency pair, all you do is add the symbol and you type in the symbol for that currency pair. I'm gonna show you guys one right now on exactly what it looks like when you first start using TradingView. Okay, so look closely. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to properties real quick. I'm gonna apply the defaults so you guys understand what it looks like before and why it looks like the way it does after. As you guys can see, the candles are all dark. You see vertical, horizontal grid lines. You see these news right here. The whole main point is to make this more brighter, to get more clear, and to remove the unnecessary stuff. That way, we all have to remember cluttered space equals a cluttered mind. So first thing you want to do, go over here. If you have a Mac, two-finger click. If you have a PC, just right-click and hide the events on the charts. Then you want to right click or two-finger click, okay? Go to properties, and this is where you start to edit everything. Now, the first thing that we want to do is we want to change the candles to make it more brighter, so it's a lot easier for us to see. I go over here, click on this lime green, boom, change the color of the candles. I go over here, go to bright red, boom, it's a lot more vibrant, as you guys can see. Now you guys see the candles, okay? You're able to see everything's brighter, but at the same time, we still want more space behind it. So go back to your properties, go back to background, right? We go from style to scales, but we go to background. You want to go to vertical grid lines. First thing you want to do is change the transparency to all the way across. As you guys can see now, there's no more vertical grid lines. Next, horizontal grid lines. You want to go all the way to the right, and look what you see now. You're able to see that everything is clear. You're able to see where price is currently at, but at the same time, you're able to see how bright everything is and it's clear behind, so it's a lot easier on the eyes. Go back to your properties. The last thing you want to change really is the time zone sessions. What this does, it breaks up your charts into days, okay? So go into session breaks, boom, click OK. Now I'm able to see these blue lines. Now what this does, it allows you to see when the market opens for the day and closes for the day and then starts the new day. So look, market opens, the day is done for that day, new day starts, and it continues. There's all a day's time frame from when market opens to when market closes to when market opens to when market closes. All right, so that's pretty much how to set up your charts to where it's vibrant, a lot more clear. The session breaks that we can see it in daily windows. I'm going to show you guys pretty much the basics when it comes to draw everything up, okay? On the top left corner, you're able to see these time frames. As you guys can see, it says 60 here. What that means is every single one of these candles represents a 60-minute time frame, right? A 1 hour time frame, as you guys can see from right here. You're able to go everywhere from the 1 minute chart, where all these candles represent 1 minute. You're able to go to the 15-minute. Every single one of these candles is 15 minutes, right? 30-minute. Every single one of these candles is 30 minutes, 30, 30, 30. And it goes from there all the way to month, week, days, even to 4 hours. You're able to see it as well. So this pretty much gives you the tools that's needed to draw everything up, okay? By utilizing different time frames, as you guys can see here. You can change your candles if you want to bars. You can change it to hollow candles, Heiken candles. Well, what I like to keep it at is the regular candlesticks, as you guys can see here. Now to the left, you're able to see a cross, a dot, arrow, eraser to draw everything up. Then you're able to see stuff like this: trend lines, trend angles, horizontal lines, horizontal rays, pretty much everything that's needed to draw everything up. I'm going to break down in the next videos on really how to utilize each tool step by step, right? Everything from pitchfork to Fibonacci retracements. These are all things that we'll learn in time, but I wanted to give you guys a brief on showing you guys on exactly what this looks like. You can even type in your text, everything, put balloons in certain areas, and to show you guys that you can actually even draw harmonics. So pretty much TradingView is all the entire tutorial that's needed. It's the actual platform that's needed for us to really draw everything up, okay? I could be able to take a horizontal line, as you guys can see right here, right? I could change the colors of it. I could change it. Say, for instance, I want to keep it red. I want to change it to a solid line to this size right here. Then I want to draw a rectangle. I could draw one up, change the colors of it, and now look. Now this gives me a visual resource of how price broke a certain area and then tested, which allowed me for a buy. That's how powerful this tool is. You want to delete everything? It's simple. You press the trash can button here, okay, and it deletes all the stuff that you drew on it. And then to measure the pips, right, you go over here to the ruler. Say, for instance, you want to count from this point to all the way to this point. The first 3 digits, 3, 6, 0. That is the actual pip count. So that was 360 pips. The price was over here. We measured all the way up. Let's see. So right here, look, the first 2, 56 pips. It's always the last digit, the last decimal place that does not count. So 56 pips. I'll give another example. 275 pips. So that's pretty much how you count everything. As you guys can see, you draw all this stuff up on here as well. You could play around with this, but I wanted to give you guys a tutorial on pretty much how to utilize everything, how to set up your charts the way it's set up like mine, so that way we could all be on the same page. I appreciate you guys for watching this, and watch out for the next video where I break down the technicals that's necessary in order for us to trade. I appreciate you guys, and I love you guys. Thank you. Goodbye.